Hardcore shit, bitch. Cigarette.
BeatStars.com.
Let me tell you the story about the jealous husband in the haunted furnace. There once was this couple. They loved each other so much, never causing trouble. But then this man decides he wants to cheat.
BeatStars.com.
When his wife finds out what he did, she became a freak. And let me explain this shit more on the beat. She addressed the husband, he admitted what he did. He got slapped and then she tried to grab a fork and stab him on the face. He had to raise a chair in defense and cause her death. What happened to her body, one can guess. But let me tell you about this fictitious forward story. Her body was made all gory, smashed real terribly. And you know what he did? He put her remains in the furnace. So don't mess with the haunted furnace. In fact, avoid a furnace. 'Cause now she was burnt shit. All 'cause the furnace.
BeatStars.com.
Don't fuck with the haunted furnace. Don't fuck with the haunted furnace. Don't fuck with the haunted furnace. Furnace. Don't fuck with the haunted furnace. Don't fuck with the haunted furnace. Don't fuck with the haunted furnace. Now all he does is burn shit, haunted by the haunted furnace. Cause now he has no sex.